We have our judiciary together with Judge Lucy Juguna from Embu. The judiciary, thank you very much. We'd like to recognize our deputy governors here present. With all due respect, thank you mzee, nashukuru wa hapa kwetu. At this juncture then, allow me to kindly ask, on behalf of all our leaders here present, would wish our governor deliver a word of congratulations to our new bishop, and then we will invite our former president to say something kindly. And at that juncture, I will pass that to our deputy president to invite our beloved president. Kindly, Governor Cicely Barire wa Musie. Karibu, Governor Usemeneno.
Thank you very much, Your Grace. The Holy Nuncio, His Excellency Archbishop Matthew Van Meegen, our Bishop for Embu Diocese, Bishop Peter Kimani Dongo, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, President William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, Your Excellency, former President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, all bishops here present, the members of Parliament, members of Senate, the MCAs here present, leaders from the county government and the national government, na wananchi watukufu wa Embu, hamjambo, moyaro, nemokenete, taborai karobeke ganangemi, wero kamuna wa kinyagoko gwito esiti dauni, wero na wa